months, and we just recharge it overnight, and then we're back to business. So overall, I am pretty happy. Sometimes though, you're gonna find that if you're doing something around here, it's gonna turn on without you wanting to, see? So if that happens, if you are, for whatever reason, in the kitchen all the time, and for whatever reason you are so near your faucet that this is bothering you, you can take this and you can rotate this. So the handle would be in the front, but the sensor would be here on the side. That way you have to wave it over here, not over here. So I did have it over here, but we wanted to have this just look-wise all be on this side, so that's why we chose this option. Now, it does take about 2 to 3 weeks to actually get used to it, but after 2 to 3 weeks, I can tell you, you are going to absolutely love it. It's no different than having sensor lights or having Google, hey Google, turn on kitchen fan. So now I also have some sensor lighting, like over here. So see, so the lights basically turn on their own, and I have these all around the house, and all the fans are smart fans basically, and all that is essentially is a smart plug, or you can also get these are basically just sensors. So at dusk you just walk through it and then it just turns on the lights, and it stays on for as long as you do this kind of a movement. So yeah, all these kinds of things are definitely recommended in my opinion, make your life easier, and yeah, I like it. So thanks for watching.